Good morning, everyone. Week 11 on our Math 203 online statistics class. And for this week, it's all about confidence interval for the population mean and population proportion. Mean and proportion means that the data that you are collecting is for quantitative, which is the mean, and qualitative or categorical for proportion. Now, what is confidence interval? The videos will be available for all of you for this week. It's going to be a little bit abstract to most of you, especially if you have not taken AP statistics in high school. But for those of you who are familiar with confidence interval, I hope that you will remember that the confidence interval is basically estimating our population mean or population proportion based on our sample. And this is also a perfect segue on how you're going to be working on for your final exam project, which is coming really soon because week 11, we only have 15 weeks per semester. So that means we only have 2-3 weeks left and we're finished. We're done with our semester's Math 203 requirement for all our curriculum, and that will help you in creating your second experiment, which I'm pretty sure will be more exciting compared to the linear regression analysis that you did on our midterm. Your project for the final exam will be more flexible in terms of the topics that you will be using or taking interest on when it comes to collecting data and selecting topics that you would want to do for our final exam. And for the final grade, since we're talking about final exam, your grade book, we have two grade books. We have the grade book in Canvas and grade book in Connect Math. For Canvas grade, that is where we houses our discussion grade, your midterm grade, and your final project grade. And for Connect Math, that is where we store our homework grade from week 1 up until week 15, as well as our quizzes from week 1 all the way to week 15. So rule of thumb, I know that the final grade will be consolidated on week 15, where I'm going to combine your Canvas grade and your Connect Math grade. But to make sure or to give you an idea of what your grade's supposed to be like, just take the average of the two grades that you have. Overall grade on your Canvas and overall grade in your Connect Math. And that is a good estimation, since we're learning or working with statistics. That's a good estimation of what your final grade would be, or what your final grade is, or current final grade is for this semester. So if you have 90% on Canvas and you have 90% on your Connect Math gradebook, that means you have an A in our Math 203 class. So that's how your grading system is gonna work for week 15 once we combine those two grade books together. And I'm sure that most of you will end up with an A in this class because looking at your grade book, most of you are still keeping your A, so keep it up. We only have a few weeks left, 4 weeks perhaps, of Math 203, and you are on your way to finishing Math 203 and saying goodbye to statistics with an A. So this is Dr. E, and see you again on week 12 next week. Bye!